This How to Make a Buddy Burner post provides a perfect heat source for the hobo stove that we made in a previous post on Welcome to Nana's. You'll gather up mostly recycled materials like tuna can and cardboard and some old wax. Measure the depth of that tuna can and cut some cardboard strips to that size. You're going to roll those up very tightly in a roll. I think it kind of looks like a cinnamon roll, don't you? And then either while you're rolling up or right after you roll it up, you'll insert those candles or the wicks into that cardboard roll. Slip it into the tuna can. Then very carefully use a double boiler to melt some wax. I used some old candles for this. And then pour it over that corrugated cardboard. You want to make sure to saturate all that cardboard and fill the can clear to the top. You'll light those candles or wicks, and that will begin the buddy burner burning, and you can put it underneath that hobo stove, and then you can cook on top of that hobo stove. It works really great. The link to make that stove is found below the video. Complete instructions on how to use the buddy burner and how to make it are found on welcometananas.com. Join us there for more great projects for your kids and for you. Enjoy!